Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla-tunity, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. See, I've got two little kids at home with my wife and I. We both work pretty good hours and lots of activities with the kids, so we don't really get to do date night a lot. So I've been thinking about this one for a while, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought I had an opportunity to try something out. So come along with me and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so we're in the garage. The kids are sleeping, at least they should be. Time to surprise my wife, so let's get going. Hey, honey, I'm gonna run out for a second. I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay. All right, step one complete. So let me set the scene a little bit. We're here at McDonald's. I'm going to try to get a shake, 2 straws, and try to convince my wife to come out to the car for a little bit. So we'll see how that goes.
Welcome to McDonald's.
Hi, can I get a large strawberry shake?
Anything else?
That's it.
417.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Can I get an extra straw?
No problem.
Thanks.
I know you want USA.
Thank you. Have a good night. All right, mission number 1 complete. 1 strawberry shake, 2 straws, no curved rims. Very important. All right, here we go. Gotta get set up though. 2 straws. Go ahead and hide this in the back seat. Put it in the kids' cup holder, perfect spot. All right, see you in a minute. Hey, honey, could you come out here for a minute?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Okay. All right, go time.
Why are you filming me?
I just want to show you something in the car real quick.
I don't even have shoes on.
It's all right, just real quick.
Okay.
All right.
Why are you parked in the driveway?
It's, I just wanted to do something nice for you, so got something in the car.
Where are we going?
Oh, you don't need your seatbelt. We're already there.
Why are we sitting in the car?
Well, we don't get to do date night that often, so I thought I would bring date night to us.
In the car?
Yeah, so check this out. Nice fireplace.
Ooh.
Strawberry shake with 2 straws.
My favorite.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. That's good.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
My favorite. Your favorite?
My favorite.
Yeah, so
wow.
we don't have a fireplace in the house, so I thought I'd bring you out to the driveway.
So romantic, honey.
Yeah. You know, it is 1 year since we got our Model 3.
Oh.
So I thought, you know,
Are we celebrating?
our 1 year anniversary with the car. We haven't had date night in a while. Valentine's Day is coming up. It just kind of felt like a nice thing to do.
Today's our 7-year anniversary.
It is?
Not a real anniversary, just when we got our marriage license.
All right. I didn't know
Facebook
that.
told me.
That's amazing.
That's in my memories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it is already getting very hot in the
Very
car.
hot, and we're in Florida.
Our friends
Getting
in
kinda warm.
our friends in Canada could use this. I'm already melting. I don't know about you.
Yeah, so let's go back in and have our shake inside.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
All right.
All right. Thanks, honey. This is nice.
You're welcome.
This was a really nice idea that you did this. Seriously? You had to do that.
Romance mode.